really ugly. You know, dati I couldn't understand. I follow what Carl Jung writes, the Swiss psychotherapist. Sabi niya, uh, I'm not quoting him faithfully, pero sinabi niya, magka-opposite ang power at saka ang love. To the
Mhm.
dati di ko naintindihan 'yon. Akala ko opposite ng hate ay love, 'di ba ganon? Hindi pala kasi parang sinasabi niya na now I understand because of what we're seeing now, because of power, because of their
Mhm.
love for power. They don't care that they're bringing an entire country down. They don't care that the rule of law is no longer followed, and it looks so obscene, no? The face of political ambition is so ugly that it really talagang cancels out your love for humanity, your love for your countrymen. That's the one that I saw with PRRD, and how elegantly he wielded power. That power wasn't for him, it was for the people. And in fact, parang he was really forced into running for the presidency, di ba? It wasn't something that was an overriding ambition of his, di ba? Talagang bigla na lang it fell. It was his destiny talaga. And then when he stepped out of office, sinabi niya na maraming salamat na ginawa ninyo akong president, because the understanding was that you gave me this much power to serve you. 'Di ba? And he used it so beautifully, no? And this is the opposite of what we're seeing with these ambitious monkeys, 'di ba?
Correct. Maganda yung